Have you ever given advice but then didn't have time to implement the own advice that you were trying to give? I've got a confession to make in today's episode. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Detached Garage. I've got a confession to make in today's episode, and it's about the last episode we just did, which was spray foam prep and looking at the final electrical for the garage. So as you can see, we've got spray foam. We've got spray foam going up. It's been 2 days of spray foam, and we got about a half a day left. I'll show you that in a little bit here, but I want to confess to you that I kind of ran out of time and didn't get something done for the spray foam prep that I really wish I would have, but we'll dive into that right now. So in the last episode, we had talked about spray foam prep. We talked about vacuuming out all the cavities on the fire blocking as well as the top plate all around the garage. So as you can see, we've got 2 inches of spray foam pretty much on all the walls, and the ceiling up here is gonna have 4 inches. So one other thing that I told you guys to do that I didn't do myself was to prep the studs. And as you can see, there's some overspray on the studs that's gonna have to be scraped. So I ran out of time to get these studs taped, just running a simple piece of packing tape, clear packing tape, masking tape down the stud to prevent this overspray. Well, not prevent the overspray, but really speed up cleanup, where you just tear the tape down and all of that overspray would come right off. I didn't get time to do that. And so we've got some pretty significant overspray on some of the studs going on here that we're gonna have to just take a knife or take a scraper and scrape all of that off. But the cool thing is we are pretty much every single portion of the wall has spray foam on it right now. And so we have about a day or a half a day left to get the rest of it done. You can see he kind of went around and did the bottom portion and then took the scissor lift and went up and did the top portion all the way around. So we've got 2 inches on all the walls, and then the window openings are left bare. So we've got a little bit more to do on this wall here, get this upper portion, and then the ceiling has the 4 inch, and then we've still got this portion of the ceiling to do. So right in the middle of spray foam, and you can see the scraping of these studs, which got the big chunks off, but there's still some chunks left. So a bit of a shorter video for you today. We're gonna have a lot of scraping to do in the garage on all the studs, but it's not the end of the world. It's just gonna take some more time. But I wish I would have spent the time on the front end to put the tape down the stud so I wouldn't have to do this. Next episode, we are gonna be installing those stairs right there. We've cut the hole in the ceiling, and we're gonna get that put up and installed. And then things are gonna move pretty quick here. Now that the spray foam insulation is in, we're gonna get the bat insulation on top of that. We got a new sponsor coming to the channel to help with that, so that is very exciting. Then we'll get the drywall up on the garage door walls, and then get the garage doors put in with the Cloplay garage door sponsorship. And we'll just keep rocking and rolling from there. If you have any questions at all, put them down in the comments below. But man, I'm pumped for some progress here. Thanks again for watching Detached Garage.